In front of me is INFINIX Zero 30, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. Begin by selecting one of your apps that you wish to use on the top half of your screen. In my case, Chrome. Now access your app in the background. If you are using Tricky's navigation, you can click on this button with 3 lines. Finally, click on the icon of your app at the top and select split screen. Lastly, tap on the second app. As you can see, now I can use both at the same time. If you wish to go back from this mode, drag one of your apps all the way up or all the way down. Then tap on Home button. If you want to switch places of your apps, you can click on this line in the middle of them and tap on this icon with 2 arrows. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!